Welcome to Master Chem Academy. Today we are going to discuss about Michael addition reaction. Very important name reaction. What is this name reaction? Conjugate addition of active CH group to the unsaturated system of activated olefin in presence of base is called Michael addition. Okay, so it is a conjugate addition. Active methylene compound. So this is active methylene compound, CH2 having compound, to the activated olefin, Okay, so first we must know what is active methylene compound, what is activated olefin. Okay, what is active methylene compound? Whenever CH2 is attached with electron withdrawing group, that is called as active methylene group. Okay, it is said to be active methylene group. Example, CH2 C double bond O. So it is active methylene. Okay, so if it is attached with electron withdrawing groups, so CN, it is also electron withdrawing group. Okay, CN, or C double bond O, CH2 C double bond O OR. Okay, or C double bond O, CH2 CN. All these are active methylene compounds. Okay, this is called active methylene compound. Whenever CH2 is attached with electron withdrawing groups, so that is called active methylene compound. So these active methylene compounds involves in the Michael addition reaction with activated olefin. What is activated olefin? Olefinic linkage, CH2 double bond CH, olefinic linkage attached to withdrawing group, that is called activated olefin. So example for this, CH2 double bond CH COR, or CH2 double bond CH COR, or CH2 double bond CH CN, CH2 double bond CH NO2. All these are examples for activated olefin. Okay, now I think you are clear definition of active methylene compound and activated olefin. Okay, so what is this? Methylene which is attached to electron withdrawing group is active methylene compound. Olefin which is attached to olefin system which is attached to electron withdrawing group, that is called activated olefin. Okay, now this active methylene compounds donates electrons, that's why this is called Michael donor. Michael donor reacts with Michael acceptor. Okay, how it donates? As it is having hydrogen, it gives C minus plus H plus. Okay, proton donors. Active methylene compounds are, as it is they are giving proton, that's why donor, Michael donor. As this proton is accepted by this compound, activated olefin, this is called Michael acceptor. Okay, now what is the reaction? The reaction is this active methylene compound reacts with activated olefin in presence of base. Okay, now let us take one. So rough example, that is CH activated compound, Michael donor. Okay, active methylene compound, plus CH2 double bond CH withdrawing group. This is Michael acceptor. And what is the resultant in presence of what? Base. And what is the resultant? CH2 CH2W. Okay, so this is called Michael adduct. Okay, Michael addition product is called Michael adduct. So simply Michael donor reacts with Michael acceptor in presence of base, gives Michael adduct. That is the Michael addition reaction. Okay, so here how to write the product? So simple trick is there to write this product. What is the trick? So just remember these 2 points. Okay, attach hydrogen of Michael donor, hydrogen of Ag2CH, hydrogen of Ag2CH to alpha carbon of Michael acceptor. Attach hydrogen of Ag2CH to alpha carbon of Michael acceptor. So just attach this hydrogen to here. This is alpha carbon, beta carbon, okay, to this withdrawing group. That's why attach this hydrogen to alpha carbon of Michael acceptor. Second one, form a bond between active methylene carbon to beta carbon of Michael acceptor. Okay, these 2 points, just attach hydrogen on alpha carbon and form a bond between these 2 carbons. Okay, so active methylene carbon and beta carbon of Michael acceptor. So if you remember these 2 points, for any compound, for any Michael donor, Michael acceptor, okay, so many examples are there for Michael donors, Michael acceptors, and also different types of bases. So whatever it may be, the Michael donor and Michael acceptor, if you remember these 2 points, you can write the Michael adduct, okay, directly. So now let us take one example for this. So to apply this trick to the example. So what is that example? That is CH2 C double bond O OET, C double bond O OET. What is this? Diethyl malanoate. Okay, so diethyl malanoate. So because this is malonic acid, 3 carbons, dicarboxylic acid is malonic acid. So diethyl malanoate plus CH2 double bond CH COOET. Okay, so ethyl acrylate in presence of base. Now we have to write this product, Michael adduct. So how to write this? Just attach hydrogen atom of active methylene on alpha carbon. This is alpha, this is beta. So attach hydrogen on alpha carbon, so that will become as CH2. Okay, now this alpha carbon will become as CH2. This is same. Next this is CH2 and form a bond between beta carbon and active carbon. Okay, so this is CH2 and remaining is same, C double bond O OET, C double bond O OET. Okay, so this is the newly formed bond, new carbon carbon bond is formed, and this is, okay, this hydrogen is from Michael donor to Michael acceptor. Okay, this is called Michael adduct. So Michael donor plus Michael acceptor gives Michael adduct. Okay, so you can apply this trick to any given reactants to write the Michael adduct. Okay, so let us take some examples for Michael donor. So we know that this is Michael donor and this is Michael acceptor and this is Michael adduct. So here four important compounds are there. What are they? Michael donor. One is Michael donor and second one is Michael acceptor. Number 3 base. Number 4 product. Okay, what is the product? Michael adduct. So let us take some examples for Michael donors and Michael acceptors and base. Okay, so already we have one example here, Michael donor and Michael acceptor. I already discussed, explained which acts as Michael donor. So active methylene group attached to withdrawing group, and which acts as Michael acceptor. So olefinic linkage with electron withdrawing group, and which are bases. Example, familiar bases NaOH, KOH, and amines, tertiary amine, secondary amine. So all these are act as bases. So let us take clear picture of examples of Michael donors and Michael acceptors and bases. Okay, now some examples for Michael donors, Michael acceptor and bases. So already we have discussed Michael donor reacts with Michael acceptor in presence of base, gives Michael adduct. Okay, now examples for Michael donors. So any example already we have discussed. This active CH2 group is attached to withdrawing groups. This is withdrawing group. Okay, so withdrawing groups, C double bond O group is withdrawing group, and CH2 is attached with C double bond O and Cn, withdrawing groups. Okay, so here both are withdrawing groups, NO2 nitro compound. Okay, next here both are cyano compounds, so both are electron withdrawing groups. Okay, so CH2 bind between electron withdrawing groups, that is most active. So active methylene compound, that is said to be. Okay, this active methylene compound, so already we have discussed, they donate proton to Michael acceptor. What is Michael acceptor? Already we have discussed that. So what is that? Olefinic linkage attached to withdrawing group is called activated olefin. So it acts as Michael acceptor in Michael addition reaction. So electron withdrawing groups, examples for electron withdrawing groups, what are they? C double bond O, OR, COR, NO2, CN. These are the examples for withdrawing groups. Okay, so that's why these act as Michael acceptors. And bases, in presence of bases, so Michael donor, Michael acceptor join together to form Michael adduct. So what are the bases? So here hydroxide NaOH, KOH, amides NaNH2, KNH2, alkoxide tertiary beta oxide, potassium tertiary beta oxide, and sodium ethoxide, and tertiary amines, so Et3N, okay, triethylamine, and pyridine. So these acts as bases. Okay, these are the some examples for Michael donor, Michael acceptor and bases. So by combining these two, Michael donor and Michael acceptor, in presence of this, Michael adduct will be formed. So let us discuss mechanism of Michael addition reaction. So already I have explained how to write Michael adduct, okay, Michael product, okay, with 2 points. So with a simple trick you can write Michael adduct, but complete mechanism, so that we'll discuss next. Okay, so let us discuss the mechanism for Michael addition reaction. Already we know that reaction CH2 COOET, already we have discussed this, COOET plus CH2 double bond CH COOET. How to write the product? Presence of base. Okay, how to write the product? So just OET, C double bond O, CH, C double bond O, OET. Combine this carbon with beta carbon, CH2 and CH2, hydrogen. Attach this hydrogen. So attach this hydrogen on alpha carbon, CH2 COOET. Okay, this is Michael adduct. So this is Michael donor and this is Michael acceptor. Okay, diethyl malanoate and ethyl acrylate gives Michael, corresponding Michael adduct. Okay, now let us take mechanism. So first OAT, C double bond O, CH2, C double bond O, OET with the base. Okay, so we know that this is a proton donor. So OET, C double bond O, CH minus, CH minus C double bond O, OET. Carbene ion will be formed. So this reacts with this with plus Michael acceptor CH2 double bond. So base will become as base with hydrogen. Okay. Now CH2 double bond CH, C double bond O, OET. So delocalization takes place in this manner. Okay, due to more electronegativity of oxygen. So delocalization towards oxygen, carbonyl oxygen, and here conjugate addition takes place. Okay, here there is a conjugation. Okay, double bond, single bond, double bond. So that's why this is conjugate addition. So due to this, which is formed C double bond O, OET, CH, C double bond O, OET, CH2, CH, double bond C, O minus, OET. This is formed. Next, to stabilize this, so delocalization takes place in this manner, and due to this, what happens? So this part is same, CH, CO, OET, C double bond O, OET, CH2, CH minus, because this electron pair is now on carbon. So that's why it has one extra electron. That's why it gets negative charge, and C double bond O, OET. C double bond O, OET. So this CH minus abstracts proton from this step. Okay, it is a proton donor. So now actually this proton is with base. So base releases proton. So now this proton H plus, so attach it to this negative charged CH minus. So what it gives? So with this you will get this product COOAT, CH, CH2. So this is a newly formed bond, new bond. Okay, new bond is formed. So this one, and CH2. Now this CH minus with H plus, it will become as CH2, COOAT. Okay, this is Michael adduct. So this is a mechanism for Michael addition reaction. Okay, so with that simple trick, you can write Michael product for any given Michael donor, Michael acceptor reactants. Okay, what is the trick? Just attach hydrogen of methylene group to alpha carbon of Michael acceptor, and next connect this methylene group carbon with the beta carbon of Michael acceptor. So with these 2 points, the simple trick, so you can write Michael adduct for any given reactants.